You can tell by it crashed. Okay, let's try again. Now I have that done. Let's go ahead and put the other alarm up because I tested it and the alarms didn't work. One of them wasn't connected. One of them did not sound. So I changed the one that did not sound and wired up the other one. So if you want to see it, I'm wiring up another alarm. Let's get to it. Woo! Okay, I'm not gonna be doing camera, but I'll face myself while I'm working. So basically I'm gonna make the main system. Do not pull that, because I'm gonna make a little room where you have to enter a specific code to get in. So basically, yeah. So yeah, let's get right to it. So guys, yeah, I will be recording it. This is I'll continue the boards here. Next time, fire alarm borders. I will continue this in the next video. I guess tomorrow, or maybe this evening. This evening. Let's do it this evening. Part 4 is tomorrow. Thank you, because we're doing two. Today's our first one. We're gonna do a second one this evening.